Hey everyone, we're gonna do another higher 5,200 video! Just sliding around my kitchen. Anyway, we have to go take it. Just look at. Okay, hold on. Let me crack my blinds up and. It's freaking windows. See that LG over there? That LG over there. Okay, I don't know why I did that. I mean, you can kind of see that LG. That's not my air conditioner. But I think I might just leave. Alright. Let me close my blinds just a little bit, and there we go. I'm gonna leave my window. Just look at all that. This is okay. So this is the aftermath of the snow that we just had last night, and we were shoving all of it. Oh my God! You do not want to freaking mess with this freaking snow. Got a Honda Pilot coming by. Anyway, got my tank on. So see how cold it gets. Okay. It's a little cold, chilly in here. Hold on. Yeah, the windows a little what's it called?
Do me a favor, go down those steps and those shorts that are on the floor. Can you get them for me? I think they're mine. I don't
What?
know why they're there.
In the basement? What? Oh, well, I'm making a YouTube video, so I can't right now. I gotta plug it in. Just got my hair. Stupid. This is a test button. This is a reset the. I think it. I don't know. We may start on fan first, but we're gonna take the front grill. Hold on. Alright, give me 1 second. Gotta get it. Actually, yeah, take my phone. Gotta get a drill out from my attic. Ugh. I just got a super cold. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Actually, hold on. You unplug it. Let me unplug it. Because I know you're not supposed to run these. So kind of a late click there. Ow. Come on. One stick. Okay. Now the other side. I know the bracket's still on it. I might take it off. Prickly. What the fuck? Did I just hear a fucking chainsaw? Fucking. Damn, that's wet. Okay. Ugh. Okay. The grill should come off just like this. I don't know why it makes that noise every time. clicks. Oh yeah, the styrofoam's on there. Good, so yeah. Whenever I want to carry it, this thing weighs like 15 pounds. Ow! Foot. Oh yeah, I just put new tape on the grill. The grill will be down there. The front cover. Quarantine. Again, here's your test button and your reset button. Okay. These stupid Birkenstocks. Okay, and you gotta get these boots off. Alright, we're gonna start a little fan. Hold on. Okay, stop making that fan motor sound. That's which is good. Hold on. Let me take the bracket off. What's it called? Duck. Goose. You're a goose. This freaking door. Door doesn't want to stay on. Who knows how long this video is going to take. I just have to take the bracket off of it. Yeah, I'll put it right there. Okay. Okay, I can see it a little bit. I have a Broad Ocean fan motor. Alright. It still clicks. But who knows what's gonna happen, so. Here. Low fan. There's the cover. Let's see what we're getting. Look cool. Wow, it's cold already. What the this unit's already cold already. Wow. Hasn't ran since a minute. Hold on. Ooh. Yeah, it's got to reset. Comes out loud noise again. Oh, I think there's a leaf stuck in there. Okay. Okay. again. Take 2.
Okay, did it? Back it out.
Cold again already. Wow. Okay, let me boost it up a little with putting it on high. See what we're getting back. We're getting like 66, 69. Oh, we're getting on. Yeah, there we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that ice. Getting like 55, 56, 59. What about the compressor?
Yeah.
73 degrees. Back here we have like 60, 74, 75. Alright, we're getting there.
Yeah.
Let me max it up a little. Gotta get a little slow. 53. Air fryer. Without the laser, we got 57, 53. I don't know, I was pointing over there.
It's hard.
55, 51. 50. Oh, we're getting cold. Oh. Oops, my bad. Caught my temp gun on the fan. Caught it on the fan blade, but hold on. Jesus Christ, why do they build these things that much? What the frick? Oh, that's gotta be colder than that. Let me put it back on high. Oh, okay, it's dropping now. What? That was your problem. 45, 49, 48. Okay, we're... Okay. Yeah, turn it off now. Do compressor shift.
That's such a big space.
It's doing that same mad fan motor thing again.
Even location, I think. I mean, not that High Street wasn't bad or King, whatever, Kingsland. I think you being more on the main alley, yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here.